Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I'll be sharing a method suggested by one of our viewers on creating custom nail tips using polygel. Store-bought nail tips are designed for the average nail shape, so they might not fit your nail width, root, or curve just right. I'm sure many of you often find yourself having to shape them with a file to make them suit your nails. If you ever find yourself in that situation, please give this method a go. Create your own nail tips by molding polygel with your nails, peel it off, and there you have your personalized nail tip ready to go. This way, it fits perfectly to your nails. Preparation beforehand is really important, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Begin by using a ceramic brusher to gently remove the cuticle on the base side of the nails and prepare your nails with some nail care. Then, apply this progress coat to your natural nails. This can also be referred to as a training coat because it's a base coat that can be easily peeled off for repeated practice so that you can practice applying gel or acrylic nails. We'll apply this training coat to our natural nails. One key point here is to apply it slightly beyond the edges of your natural nails. This makes it easier to peel off later. After applying it slightly beyond the nails, let it dry for about 5 minutes. If you proceed without letting it dry thoroughly, it may not peel off easily. So touch it with your fingers to ensure it's completely dry before moving on. Once it's fully dry, we'll move on to using polygel. Now, let's start by selecting a tip that fits your natural nails. Choose a size that matches your natural nail width, noting that it's better to go slightly larger than smaller. When viewed from the side, push the skin slightly to check for gaps. If there are gaps, it means that it's too small. So choose a tip that covers the entire width of the nail like this. Once you've chosen a tip, the shape at the base may not match your natural nail. So use a file or nail clippers to adjust it. Once you've matched the shape to your natural nail, the tip is ready. Next, let's prepare the polygel. We'll be using clear polygel this time. But depending on the tip you are making, choose your preferred color. Now, take out the polygel onto the inside of the tip. The amount varies depending on the person's nail size, but generally, extract about 5 to 10 millimeters from the tube. After extracting the polygel, take some ethanol in a small container and dip your brush in ethanol. Wipe off the excess ethanol on the edge of the container. We'll start working with the polygel, applying the brush with roughly this amount of ethanol. Stretch the polygel with the brush you dipped in ethanol. Aim for a thickness roughly equivalent to 1 or 2 credit cards. Be gentle when stretching it, as pressing too hard with the brush can cause dents. Once you've stretched it to your desired length, shape the tip of the nail. Use the end of the brush to shape it as you like. Every now and then, place it next to your natural nail to double check the length and shape of the polygel as you go along. Once the polygel is shaped, apply it to your natural nail. Since we are using this polygel as a nail tip, make sure not to press too hard when applying it. Just gently place it to avoid making it too thin. To avoid trapping air, attach it from the base first, then slowly tilt it toward the tip of the nail. After applying it, use your nails to gently tap it and ensure it adheres without pressing too hard. After applying it to the nail, check if the underside of the nail has any raised bumps. If there are bumps or if the shape of the nail tip is distorted, use the brush to correct it at this point. Unlike acrylic, you can adjust polygel as many times as you need before it is cured, so checking before curing is really important. Unless you have a nail drill, the underside of the nail is especially tricky to fix once it hardens. Ensure there are no gaps between the polygel and your natural nail, and correct it at this point if there are any. Before curing, double check to ensure there are no leaks at the base or on both sides, and make sure there's no excess on the underside of the nail too. After it's cured, peel off the tip. Hold the tip at the end, give it a gentle twist left and right, and snap it off. Now, let's peel off this polygel from your natural nails. What we'll use for the removal is water. Immerse your fingers in water like this. This training coat has the same components as liquid glue, so when you put it in water, it dissolves, creating a gap. Use a wood stick to tap the edge of the polygel to create a bigger gap, and then peel it off from there. Inside the polygel, the training coat is still a bit sticky, so wash it off nicely in the water. If you are not happy with the shape, just use a file to adjust it. Finally, wipe off any uncured gel with ethanol, and you are done. Now you've got a nail tip that fits you perfectly. You can add designs with color gel on top, making it the perfect tip to enjoy nail art only on the weekends. Also, the tip made this time fits too perfectly on your natural nails, so I don't think it can be used as your dual foam for length extension. Dual foams for length extension require some space between the gel and the natural nail, but this tip fits too perfectly, leaving no space. So I suggest using this tip for applying designs instead. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.